Greetings, and welcome to the Lindbergh School District Elite 1 training videos. This video will cover Microsoft Word 2007 Pictures. To insert pictures or clip art, we will be using the Insert tab and the Illustrations group. So click on the Insert tab button at the top of the screen, and then you will see the Illustrations group listed on this tab. To insert a picture, all we need to do is click on the Picture button within the Illustrations group. Clicking the Pictures button will open the standard Open dialog box. By default, Microsoft Word will be looking in the My Pictures folder on your computer. However, if you have a picture elsewhere on your computer, simply navigate to where it's located, select it, and then click the Insert button. The picture is then inserted into your document. As you can see at the top, we have another toolbar, a Format toolbar that's categorized under Picture Tools. Around the edges we have little white dots. These white dots are the sizing handles. They allow you to change the size of the picture. The handles on the corners of the pictures will adjust the size but keep the proportions the same. If you're going for one of the handles that are in the middle of one of the edges, it'll adjust the height or width, but not necessarily keep the proportions the same. Also, let's say if we wanted to crop this picture so we would only see the 3 raccoons and the drain, we would need to click on the Crop button in order to bring up the cropping handles. Once you see the cropping handles, those black edges, all you need to do is click and drag it to the point at which you wish to crop the picture. In this case, we're just cropping it so that we can see only the raccoons and the drain. When you're finished, simply click the Crop button one more time. Within the Format toolbar, you have a Rotate button that allows you various options for rotating the picture. You also have an option for more rotate options, which opens the Rotate dialog box. Within here, you have the ability to change the height, the width, a number of other picture options, as well as typing in the degree of rotation that you want the picture to have. Once you're finished, simply close the window out and you should be good to go. We also have this green dot that is above the picture. This green dot is a rotation handle that allows you to click and drag the picture to freehand rotate this the way you want it. This can be often easier than typing in an actual rotation degree number. This is because you can actually see and spot how the picture is rotating on your document. When we insert pictures and have text within our document, sometimes we need to adjust the pictures to work with the text. To do so, all we need to do is come back to our picture and click on the Format tab. Here we're going to be dealing with the position and various text wrapping options of the picture. Simply click on the Position button and find the position of the picture that works best for you. These are default positions, and that also come with included text wrapping that wrap the text around your picture. You can customize the text wrapping option by simply clicking on the text wrapping button that's at the top of the screen in the Arrange group. However, after adding a positioning option to your picture, the picture is now free from the text line, so it is no longer inserted in line with the text, meaning that it's being treated as another character within the sentence. Having the text wrapping allows you to move the picture wherever you would like on the page, and the text wrapping options will wrap around the picture accordingly. Now we can see if we set it back to inline with text, this picture is treated just like another text character, and by default every picture and clip art is inserted inline with text. To change this manually, go up to the text wrapping button and click on it. This will reveal several different text wrapping options. The two most common would be square and tight. There's not too much difference between the two, except that tight has a smaller margin between the text and the picture. The behind text option effectively makes the picture kind of a watermark. This can be a little cautious because if you have a lot of text, the picture can actually get hidden behind your text. So if you need to make any changes later on, it may be a little more difficult to get to your picture. The in front of text may actually allow the picture to hide or cover up some of the text within your document, as you can see here. Moving the picture around, it actually covers up the paragraphs. One of the most common options is the square wrapping, which simply wraps the text squarely around the picture. With any of these text wrapping options, you can freely move the picture around the page, and the text will cleanly and clearly wrap around and deal with the picture accordingly.